Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Florence. You're watching Digit, and today in the studio we have this newly launched Xiaomi laptop. So basically Xiaomi ने अभी recently दो laptops launch करे हुए हैं. The first one is gonna be this one, the Xiaomi Notebook Pro 120G, and the other one is gonna be the vanilla Xiaomi Notebook Pro 120 without the G. I am actually very happy कि we have the G variant.
And दोनों में difference क्या है?
Yeah, let me tell that. So basically difference इतना है कि जो Notebook Pro 120G है, in that laptop we have got the NVIDIA discrete GPU, that is the MX550 GPU, and वहीं पे जो vanilla 120 है जिसके अंदर G नहीं लिखा हुआ है, that one only has the Intel iGPU in it. तो बस difference इतना ही है, बाकी same to same है. Alright, enough chit chat already. Let's have a look. Okay, what do we get inside the box? So inside the box we have the laptop itself. And then we have got the charging brick, I guess, inside of this. So inside this box we have the charging cable and we have the charging brick. So it's a 100-watt charging brick, and that's it. Let's quickly take it out of the plastic cover. And there we have it, the 1.4 kg के weight वाला thin and light Xiaomi Notebook Pro 120G. Now let's have a look at its specifications. Now specification wise, this laptop has 12th gen Intel Core i5-1240H processor, 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM, 512 gigs of PCIe Gen 4 solid state drive, and obviously the G in here stands for the graphic card, and in this one we have the NVIDIA MX550 graphics. The screen in this one is a very impressive 2.5K resolution वाली, 120Hz के refresh rate वाली, 100% sRGB color gamut coverage वाली, a 14-inch की 16:10 aspect ratio की display. So those were all the specs of this laptop. बाकी the chassis is entirely made out of aluminum, and the I/O ports I'm going to show you in the video. And now let's quickly have a look at the pricing of this laptop. So this one, the one that we have over here, is the G variant, and this one basically costs at 74,999, and the version which is the vanilla version which doesn't have the NVIDIA graphics cost you 69,999. लेकिन अब अगर आप मुझसे पूछते हैं कि do you really like the laptop, तो उसका आंसर होगा कि yes, the specifications are really very crazy. The availability of the MX550 along with the 120Hz refresh rate वाली screen makes this a very tempting device. Although there is one thing is for sure, that this laptop doesn't stand on its own. There's a lot of competition in that market of thin and light laptops. And if in case you want to have a look at some of our reviews that we have done for its own very competition, then have a look at this video over here. Baki to surely we'll be doing a proper review of this laptop very soon. So stay tuned and we'll meet you all in the next one. Take care. Digit out.